There was once a small village where a gigantic mountain stood in the middle. Every day, a humble farmer named Rahim had to walk around the mountain to reach his fields. The trek was exhausting and time-consuming, but everyone believed the mountain was immovable. Yet, Rahim had a dream to move the mountain. The laughter of the people when Rahim shared his plan, the villagers laughed at him. "A single man can't move a mountain," they mocked. Despite the ridicule, Rahim picked up his shovel and started digging. Day after day, he chipped away at the mountain, believing that even the smallest effort would make a difference. The first pebble Rahim knew that progress would be slow, but every pebble, every shovelful of dirt removed, was a step closer. His hands grew calloused, and his body ached, but he persisted. "If I can't move the mountain, I will at least make a path through it," he thought. Over time, Rahim's persistence began to inspire others. A few villagers, who had once mocked him, came to help. First, it was just one or two, then a dozen. Soon, the whole village joined in. Together, they chipped away at the mountain. The laughter had stopped, replaced by a collective belief that the impossible could be achieved. Years passed, and what had once seemed impossible was now reality. The mountain had been transformed into a wide path, allowing easy passage to the fields beyond. Rahim, now an old man, stood at the front of the crowd. What started as a personal dream had become a symbol of the power of persistence and community.